to my channel, to them at the beach. The storm is finally over. But look at behind me. The beach is so dirty, a lot of trash. So let's check that. That's sad. Toothbrush, mask, wood. Look at that. Look at all the trash. That's crazy. Pills cup. Yeah, all the trash come from the mountain going to the beach. Oh yeah. I need to clean all that now. Look at that. There's lemon. What else we have? Lot of styrofoam, cup, plastic bottle, fruits. Lot of wood. Tennis ball. Bottle. Look at that, it's everywhere. Hanger. Basketball ball. That's so crazy. A lot of food again. Ah, yeah. Shoes. Another shoes. Another bottle, plastic bottle. That's crazy. Yeah, they need to clean, yeah.
Looks like it went through it one time and that was it.
Yeah. Shoes again. Oh yeah. Look at that basket grocery. From where? Like Ralph? Crazy.
Careful where you step.
Oh yeah, syringe. Oh my god. Yeah. All the trash. Crazy. Look at that. Tupperware. What is that? I don't know what is that. Some sandals. Lot of masks too. the mask. What is that? I don't know exactly. And like you see, it's all long. Like that. It's like crazy. I don't know how many inches of rain we had the last 3 days, but it was intense. I think that's probably the first time I've seen a lot of rain like that, non-stop. Non-stop. Look at that. Oh, yeah, yeah. Another like beach and dome. Lot of styrofoam. Hills Cup. As again. Look at that, the Lysol. And it continues along, so I don't want to film all along. But right. Crazy. Look at that, the top, the lid of a water cup. So that's it, guys. At least the storm is over. So that's it, guys. I hope they will clean soon all this trash at the beach. And now it's sunny, so that's good, at least. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will do a lot of video about like the red carpet, the stars, the casino, and when something happened like that in California, the big storm. So see you on the next video. I love you guys. We're almost 1,000 followers. So let's continue and see you. Bye, guys.